A place that's been at the center of the abortion debate for years in Pensacola is shutting down. The Community Health Care Center, one of Escambia County's two abortion providers, closed its doors on Friday. Channel 3's Greg Newman joins us now with more on the clinic's future. Greg?
Well, Sue, it was during a routine inspection last month by the Agency for Healthcare Administration that inspectors found that the laboratory license here at the center had expired 413 days ago. That left the center with a choice: either pay a huge fine or shut its doors. There was little to no activity at the Community Healthcare Center today. That's because its owners chose to close it rather than pay a $413,000 fine to AHCA, the Agency for Healthcare Administration.
It's just complete joy, and what a blessing on our community to have this facility closed.
Pro-life advocate Ernie had been leading the 40 Days for Life protests outside the clinic, which just ended on Sunday. He noticed a legal notice in the local paper yesterday stating that the center had terminated its practice.
I'm as in the dark as the next person, so we don't really know exactly why. We call it a miracle, really.
Or perhaps more likely an oversight by the clinic. Whatever the reason for the expired license, AHCA lawyers did offer the clinic a reduced fine as part of a settlement agreement, but never received a response.
For this to up and close the last weekend of 40 Days for Life is really shocking and great.
Bernadette Ensley is a UWF senior who heads Students for Life. That group and others will now concentrate their protests on AMS of Pensacola.
It just gives us time to focus on the other abortion clinic and praying and being out there support.
Now, we don't know if the clinic is closing for good because no one affiliated with it would talk to us today. However, AHCA spokespeople say it's definitely not going to reopen as long as that fine remains unpaid. Reporting live, Greg Newman, Channel 3 News.
All right, thank you, Greg.